Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming who controls the device and why restrictions are active. That determines which path to use. Once done, back up photos and settings so nothing is lost. Make sure you have the admin account, device PIN, recovery email, and phone on hand. This speeds verification. Now locate the Parental Control app or built-in OS setting. Don't skip straight to removal without identifying the exact control layer, because removing the wrong thing won't solve the restriction. You'll now go through each control vector systematically. First, check settings right arrow accounts or users and remove restrictions from the child profile if present. Next, inspect installed apps labeled Parental Control. Open each one and choose Disable or Uninstall, and revoke device admin rights in settings right arrow security if needed. If the account is locked, follow the recovery flow using the recovery email or phone. This lets you reset credentials without coding. Make sure to confirm each change by restarting the device when indicated. You finish by restarting the device and testing app access and websites to confirm restrictions are gone. If limits persist, inspect the router's parental filters or DNS block lists and remove entries. Home network blocks often mimic device controls. Make sure to clear app data for removed controllers and update the OS to eliminate leftover enforcement. If nothing works and you have backups, perform a factory reset as a last resort. This erases settings and typically removes controls. If problems continue, double-check recovery account.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.